Hey, what up guys, Pev's Moneybags here, back with another video, and today's a really quick one about the unboxing I did on these. So if you guys watched the unboxing for the Vaporfly 4% on the Obsidian colorway, I had this whole rant trying to figure out why these were sent to me creased, and I was pretty pissed. After I finished filming that video, I went to eBay and I even went to Nike to check out the pictures and see if they actually came creased or what happened. Turns out the foam actually comes with a creased appearance, and I was just tripping over this specific pair. And I'm doing this because maybe a lot of you guys don't know, just like me, that these are supposed to come creased. So I want to make sure that there's no misleading here, that I'm not the reason you guys start thinking wrong of this shoe or of Nike or whatever. I do some research on the sneaker I'm about to unbox. I don't look at a lot of pictures because then it gives you guys a better experience or helps me have better reactions, like first impressions on the sneaker. So that's why I don't look at a lot of pictures. Once again, I apologize. I did not mean to mislead you or make a video ranting the whole time with a negative perspective on the shoe. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Pev's Moneybags. Out.